Hey, I just got this step ladder here from Woa. My first impression, this thing is super lightweight. You can easily move this around. I mean, check this out. I'm lifting it with one finger. So if you're looking for a lightweight step ladder, this one is it. Now let's check out the stability and other special features of this step ladder. As you can maybe see here, I have the wood grain look. It does come in a lot of different colors, but I want to kind of focus in on the tread that is here on the steps. So you can even hear it has nice grooved treads on the steps here. You know, I have another step ladder that's similar to this, but it pales in comparison because it's bulky, it's hard to open up, it's hard to close up, it takes more space. It's a lot heavier than this one, so I'm really impressed with this so far. Another nice thing is how easy this opens up. That's how fast and easy you can open this up. And when you want to close it up and fold it up, it's very quick and easy. Look at the very slim design. This allows it to fit into very narrow places when you want to store it. I used to have to store my ladder in the garage, which is very inconvenient and can be cold in the winter. Now, this one stores very easily. Its thin design makes it wonderful. Can fit easily behind the door. It's very stable when I'm climbing. I like the way the handles here, it allows you to easily climb up in a forward position and to step down. If you're wanting to move up on a sideways angle, the steps are designed so that you can also do that. These cabinets are nearly impossible to get to, but with this step ladder, I could easily get there, reach things up on the top shelf. No longer a problem. We have 9-foot ceilings, and when I have to change these lights, it's very difficult to reach. But with this step ladder from Woa, this is the 4-step ladder. I can easily reach and be able to change out my light bulb when needed. And this is on a 9-foot ceiling. So overall, I'm pretty impressed with this step ladder here from Woa. It does come in different sizes. You can get it in a 2-step, 3-step, 4-step, 5-step. They have it in a variety of different manners. Again, I got the 4-step here. I got the black and wood grain look to it. You can get it in a variety of different colors. Overall, I'm impressed. Great stability, ease of use. It's a lightweight. It folds up really well. It's just what I was looking for.